I think Supra Fusion has a huge future ahead of it. I'm Dr. Jeff Stucki. I've been practicing orthopedic hand surgery for 15 years in Pocatello, Idaho at the Idaho Hand Institute. I like to see people get better. I like to see people get back to the activities that they like to do. In hand surgery, that's pretty specific, as we use our hands for all activities, from our jobs to recreation. And when people see improvement in their function that improves their activities, that's rewarding to me. Probably predominantly in thumb arthritis. That's where I'm using it the most, is in suspension arthroplasty or reconstruction of the CMC joint of the thumb. It's a very common problem that affects a lot of people, from women to men, even seeing it more in the younger population. It can affect people's day-to-day lives, especially with tight grip. They get weakness, chronic pain. It's a procedure that's very predictable at alleviating that pain and bringing people back to their normal function. The Supra Fusion anchor has allowed me to make that reconstruction stronger and, in my opinion, have longer longevity, because we're seeing this problem in younger patients that are still very, very active. The Supra Fusion augmentation to that procedure, I'm seeing it last longer, be more stable with higher stresses upon that reconstruction. You know, in hand surgery, there's so much that's kind of unexpected. Sometimes when you go into a surgical procedure, sometimes you run into situations, especially in trauma situations, where you may not know exactly what your injury entails, whether you're going to have tendon injury or ligament injury. Supra Fusion has allowed me to go into those procedures a little less stressed, knowing that, hey, I've got a lot of options to fix whatever it is I'm going to find, especially in the hand where there's such small structures, small bones, and the Supra Fusion technology allows very small holes to be drilled, but with very strong strength in regards to repair. So less stress going into maybe the unknown is what this has helped me with. I actually came in contact with Supra Fusion through my desire to find a better, different product. One that allowed for stronger pull-out strengths, smaller drill holes, and good service from a company that had the best interest of the patient in mind. And so I was looking for a different anchor system that would give me all of those aspects. And that's how I became familiar with Supra Fusion, and have been pretty excited with what Supra Fusion offers now, but also with the potential of development where it can be used in either other aspects of my practice. I think Supra Fusion has a huge future ahead of it. Dedicated people to help progress some of the developments so that it can be utilized in a lot of different aspects of orthopedics. And that's what I'm excited about, is how's it going to change my practice even in the future as it develops more. Strong.